So welcome back. This section is all about Unity Catalog for AI governance. So far we have seen how Unity Catalog governs data. But today Unity Catalog goes much further than traditional data governance. It has evolved into a governance platform for AI. You know, as organizations adopt machine learning, generative AI agent, and AI powered applications, governance becomes more important than ever. I hope you agree with that. Now we can see a lot of adoption to the AI models, AI applications, AI agents, including the generative AI. Now all the organizations take care of governance. So the key message of this slide is one governance layer for all data and AI assets across clouds, platforms, and organizations. Okay, so this Unity catalog is more than data. So traditionally, governance focused mainly on tables and datasets. With modern AI platforms, organizations now need to govern many additional assets. And Unity catalog provides governance for four major categories. Let's look into them. First of all, data. Okay, so first category is data. What is included in the data? The tables, views, volumes, feature stores. And if you look at the data, you can see there are structured and unstructured data sets. So these are the foundational assets used for analytics, machine learning, and AI applications. So without a trusted and governed data, successful AI initiatives are impossible in any organization. So Unity Catalog governs data. Okay, that is a primary. Next, ML models. What is ML? ML is machine learning models. ML flow registered models and metadata. You know, ML flow is the ML model builder in Databricks. So any models and metadata registered ML in the ML flow, yeah, is governed by Data Unity Catalog. So what are the examples? So classification models, forecasting models, recommendation models, embedding models. These organizations need to know who created the model, which dataset was used for training, which applications are using the model, whether the model complies with governance policies. So Unity Catalog provides visibility and governance across the model life cycle. Okay, that is the second category that Unity Catalog supports in Databricks. The third category is AI agent, the agents, tools, and prompt within Databricks. I know if you work with Databricks, the Genie code, the Genie prompt, we are all familiar with that. Is it governed? So whatever you ask the Genie code, is it governed? Whatever you will upload, is it governed? So the third category is AI agents. These are intelligent systems capable of interacting with the data, tools, and users. Example like Copilot agents, retrieval augmented generation, or RAG agents. Then customer support agents, internal enterprise agents. As AI agents becomes more autonomous, organizations need to have strong control to determine what information those agents can access. Unity Catalog helps enforce those controls. That's a that's a common problem. Like what information agent can access within the organization? Can the private information can be accessed? So the Unity Catalog can bring some control on those access controls. The finally, The third category is AI applications. So end-to-end AI apps and solutions. You will find customer 360 app, fraud detection app, chatbot app, and so on. Very common in all the organizations. So intelligent business applications. These applications consume data and AI models, so they must be governed just like any other enterprise assets. So what are the four categories? Data, ML models, AI agents, and AI applications. So same governance principle across everything. So one of the biggest advantage of Unity Catalog is consistency. The same governance principle are applied to all assets, whether they are data assets or AI assets. Okay. So let's see some of the advantages or benefits. Okay. So it is nothing but centralized access control. So organization can enforce RBAC, ABAC, least privilege access. This ensures users, applications, and the AI agents can access only the information they are authorized to use. Second one, data and AI lineage. Basically, the lineage does not stop at the data set. Unity Catalog can help organization understand data, ML model, AI agent, AI application, business outcome. So we can see the end-to-end flow of data across all these applications. Then it helps auditing and compliance. Like governance team can answer questions like who accessed the model, which AI agents use the data, which user invoked an application, what changes were made and when. This is becoming increasingly important for AI governance, risk management, and regulatory compliance. Okay, so these are the third benefits. Then you have the classification and tagging, like organization can classify and tag both data and AI assets. For example, PIA data, confidential data, financial data, then restricted model, the production AI agent. So these classification help organization automatically enforce governance policies. Okay. Then again, we already discussed about the data sharing, secure sharing. Just as data set can be shared securely, AI asset can also be governed and shared according to organization policies. The same governance framework applies everywhere. Okay. So how the Unity Catalog works for AI workloads? That's the next key point. Again, we have the discover, govern, track lineage, audit, monitor, and share securely. This is the flow. Okay. In this flow, what is the first, like the discover? Now, organization discover and register all data and AI assets inside Unity Catalog. This creates a centralized inventory. This is the first step. Okay. Then governance. Next, policies are applied. Example includes permissions, security policies, classifications, tags. This ensure assets are properly controlled. Then next one is the tracking the lineage. The Unity Catalog tracks relationship between data, features, models, agents, applications, and this creates complete traceability throughout the AI lifecycle. And we have something called audit and monitor, like organization monitor the usage, access patterns, security events, governance activities. This helps ensure compliance and operational transparency. Then finally, secure sharing, like organization can securely share governed asset across teams, departments, cloud platforms, external organizations, while maintaining governance and security controls. Okay, we also need to know some of the real world scenarios. Okay, what are the real world scenarios of sharing? Okay, so let's consider a supplier and customer scenario. Imagine a supplier organization owns supply chain data, demand forecasting model, inventory agents, supplier applications. All of these assets are governed by Unity Catalog. The supplier then uses delta sharing to securely share selected asset with the customer. Okay. You know, this is all part of the supplier. Then the customer, supplier is sharing some data with the customer. Okay, so the customer gains secure access, read-only visibility, lineage information, governance control. The important point is the data remains with the supplier. No duplication is required. The customer consume trusted and governed assets directly. So it includes not only the data and the model like demand forecasting model, inventory agent, supplier portal app. So many of the along with the data, the supplier can share them with the customer as well. Okay, so that is how the some of the AI governance works in organizations. Okay, then finally, some of the benefits are like govern all data and AI assets with one platform, consistent security and policies across data and AI, full lineage from data to AI apps and outcomes, then audit and complaints for data and AI usage, secure cross cloud and cross platform sharing, then faster, trusted collaboration with partners and customers, no data duplication. Data stays in your control. To close, the future of governance is no longer just about data. The organization must also govern models, agents, prompt, and AI applications. And Unity Catalog extend the same trusted principles of security, lineage, auditing, compliance, and sharing across the entire AI lifecycle, helping organization build responsible, secure, and scalable AI solutions. I hope now you understand how Unity Catalog is capable of managing, governing AI assets as well along with the data. Thank you. Thank you for watching.